Hey guys, it's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. Happy Monday, everybody. There is a lot to talk about here today as we go into the close. First of all, we have tremendous flow today into Nvidia and Tesla and Qualworks. They've been buying these off the lows all day long. So let's start off with crude. We hit 119 after last night pre-market, and we've dumped and we've gone red. If you're not here, crude's been coming in all day. Now Trump case came out, and he's supposed to speak at 5:30 today. But instead, he came out earlier and started talking to CBS of all people, saying that I think the war is just about over. We've achieved what we wanted to. We're 4 to 5 weeks ahead. This is classic Trump. When the market's not acting well, he's historically will pivot because he always likes to brag about the stock market when he's president and how high it is, and he just compares it. So, this means he's probably fairly serious about this. There'll probably be some wrinkles along the way, right? The other thing going on here is the VIX. You have a full-on risk-on candle here on the VIX. We hit 35.30. We are now back inside the Bollinger Bands. Yes, came all the way down overnight here to look at this tail. Look at the size of this move up here. You get the idea. So the SPY came down, hit a 5% pullback, pulled off of it, and now engulfed Friday's candle, went almost through this entire gap and is just shy of the 8-day. This all happened fast. If you weren't with us live here, this happened in about 25 minutes as Trump spoke. The market took off. It started to take off, and we're all scrambling, trying to figure out what the news is. So if Iran is not going to be the problem, which would be a great thing, do we have power to move ourselves back up here and actually break out of this funk we've been in for a while, which means the AI trade, all the other little things that are bothering the market here? Or do we just come back into this chop zone and get trapped here again under the 21-day and the 50-day areas here? That will be the areas to watch. This here as you come up. You get up above the 8-day, then you watch the 21-day, the 50-day. Ultimately, 688 to 690 are the levels you really need to clear. If this is a head fake and we open down tomorrow, there's be a lot of people got caught wrong on this side here. So we'll see how we close here. But overall, this is what you were looking for here today. When you're talking about today, where was the strength? The strength was in the SMHs. It came down, bounced off the 100-day. Yes, they moved a lot here, but you can see the SMHs were strong all day, and they were led by names like Avgo, which I did not look at, but had a beautiful day. MRVL had a beautiful day. I did trade NVIDIA, beautiful day to the 8-day there. AMD got back above the 8-day here, trying to break out right into my sell trigger from this morning. Put that in pre-market 202.80. Beautiful touch there. Even Intel here having a nice move back up. Google had a tremendous amount of strength today. It looked like it was going to break down. They bought this back, came running back higher. What did not participate today was IGV. It's up now with the markets, but it wasn't strong. Palantir also not strong today. A lot of the software names and cloud names took the day off. Banks were very weak all day until just now. You can see they're nowhere near strong. Energy has been weak, right? XBI also has been fairly weak here, but up now with everything else. Tesla, I tried shorting it today, got out with a very small win, happy got alive, and then they start buying calls. And look at this quick reversal. Came down, reversed, and look how high it up, all the way to highs of the day, and it got back above 400. Really needs to clear the 21-day. So keep that in mind as you're watching this here. Apple didn't do a lot today, but it held in and it's just kind of hanging out there. Same thing with Amazon. Coin was strong all morning long. Coin had a big bounce, hit the 50-day, got rejected and couldn't go. Hood also had a nice little bounce. So the real question is here now, is this a tradable bottom? This kind of feels like we have a reversal here in the market. It came down. We've engulfed the previous day's action. It's possible we get a little inside day tomorrow if they want to sit there and wait a little bit. Trump is scheduled to speak at 5:30. The fact that he's spoken already at this point, I mean, I got to think he's going to repeat most of this and try to just drive it home. The timing on this, is absolutely was done on purpose before the market closed. So, keep that in mind here. This is not trying to pick on, this was done purposely wanted to get this news out now instead of in the overnight sector. So, whatever you're looking at right now, the semis are leading, Google's leading. These are the names to keep watching here, and we'll see if the rest of the market wants to play catch up and where we go from here. I will catch you guys live in the AM. Hope everybody had a good night and hope everybody out there had a good one. Catch you in the morning.